Hi traders, it's Eddie here from TradeView and welcome to Trading Talk episode 195. In today's episode, Matt builds a model that averages into positions and he adapts a key trade management technique that was explored in a previous Trading Talk episode. With much of the world locked down in 2020, traders are bursting to get out this year, and that's probably why we're way ahead of expectations for our 2021 Algo Conference with over 100 tickets sold already. What this means for you is that if you want to attend, you need to get a ticket ASAP before we sell out. We only have limited space, especially this year with social distancing involved. You'll get to see world trading champion Stefano Serafini, leading technical analyst Trevor Neal of Bloomberg fame, and pioneer of algo trading Perry Kaufman at this year's conference, and that's a lineup you don't want to miss out on. If you'd like to see the full episode 195 of this Trading Talk and build the model that we showed today, then simply purchase the series by clicking the Learn More button on the top left of this page, or in the YouTube description if you're watching this video on YouTube. And if you enjoy our videos, make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get more of what you want to see. I really hope you enjoy this week's episode of Trading Talk, and until next week, all the best with your trading.